Prior to AiSensy, we were using the WhatsApp Cloud API, where we face a major drawback or dashboard. AiSensy provides us the dashboard for WhatsApp, and the functionality for active, intervene, and requesting chats is just awesome. Our onboarding was the smoothest in multiple products I'm handling right now. This product has figured it out all at once. So hello team AiSensy. My name is Satvik Mishra and I'm a business analyst at Mediology Software. So we at Mediology Software specialize in different products for news and media industry. We have been using AiSensy for our marketing approach. We engage our existing clients to the product-rich features. Prior to AiSensy, we were using the WhatsApp Cloud API, where we faced a major drawback for dashboard. AiSensy provides us the dashboard for WhatsApp, and the functionality for active, intervene, and requesting chats is just awesome. We do not require any new resource to be planned for just the WhatsApp messages. We have it all figured out with AiSensy. AiSensy team has just figured it out in one product. They have the excellent approach of product management, I must say, which they have figured it out on one product. Also, talking about the support teams in terms of onboarding, our onboarding was the smoothest in multiple products I'm handling right now. The functionality of a chatbot system which they have provided us with on the AiSensy dashboard is just awesome. Just 2-3 minutes onto the dashboard if there is any query, and the AiSensy team helps us in solving that particular query. Or even if they are not available for more than 2 or 3 minutes, they have this excellent artificial intelligence approach where they would show us some articles related to the keywords which we have typed in. So talking about this product has figured it out all at once. And moreover, I would like to congratulate Team AiSensy for this and wish them all the best for more new features and products.